Today we are going to make. Welcome to Kayang channel. Today we are going to make soya milk jelly. Need soya milk. What's this? Sugar and the jelly shot and the jelly sugar. Half of this agar-agar shot and cut it into small pieces.
Okay. Right. And add water.
And add water.
Yeah, little bit. Yeah. Because after that we need to add soya milk. Alright, and then ready to put on fire. Use a spoon, Okay.
Stirring until lines dissolve.
Okay.
Dissolve already?
Almost there.
Okay, I'm stirring.
Yeah. Still need some more time. Yeah, almost there. Okay, it's done now.
It's done now. Woo!
Okay, let's check it. See? Can you see any strain?
No.
It become like water only, right? You cannot see just now the stripe.
Yeah.
Stripe things no more.
Yeah.
Then it's done. Then next step we add in our soya milk. Okay.
Now let's add the soya milk. We quite closely. And drink.
Okay.
Now let's
Okay, yes, let's do it. Okay. How many bags of those?
It's 4 bags of thosui and the water add up to 1.5
liter. Yes. Okay, keep stirring.
Keep stirring. Now we will add this half pack of agar-agar powder.
Okay. Nah.
Now we keep stirring.
Okay.
If we feel sweet already, we don't add the sugar already.
Sweet already, right? Nice. You want to say?
Now put in the fridge. Up to learn to make it. I'll see you in my next video.